In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the Clients page, where you can manage your clients efficiently and effectively. Let's explore the features and functionalities of this page step by step. Navigate to Clients page. Begin by clicking on the Clients page from the main navigation menu. This page serves as the central hub for all your client management activities. Here you can view all the clients entered your portal. 1. Adding a new client. To add a new client, click the red Create New Proposal button located at the top of the page. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your client's information. Client information. In the pop-up window, enter client's name, and especially their email address, so that the generated report can be sent directly to them. Also, fill out the rest of the information as required. Weather model options. Choose from 3 weather models to provide accurate solar data for your client's location. You may use the default selected weather model, which gives the most accurate result in most cases. You may also add a client's picture to personalize their profile. Once all information is entered, click the Add Client button to register the client into the system. You will be redirected to a new page for array creation. This page is also accessible from the client's list view page by clicking on the client's name. 2. Creating a new array. In the new pop-up window, you can define the array's name, tilt, and azimuth. These details help in accurately modeling the solar installation. Select the location where the client requires the solar system by using the pin drop feature on the integrated map. Ensure your browser's location access is enabled to avoid errors. Click the Create Array button to proceed to the next step. Now you will have a new pop-up with 3 main stages you need to fill out to create an accurate report that you will be submitting to your concerned utility and will also be used in creating client's payback report. Stage 1. Energy Profile Setup. In this stage, you will define the client's energy profile. Select from a drop-down menu whether the profile is for a full-scale restaurant, a small residential property, or another type of establishment. Enter the yearly usage KOW manually, or let the system auto-divide the yearly usage into monthly figures based on the selected weather model. Choose the energy rate plan from the drop-down menu. This plan reflects the rates applicable to your client's energy profile and consumption patterns. After entering all the information, click the Continue button to proceed. Stage 2. System Specifications. In this stage, determine the energy offset required by the client. This value helps estimate the necessary system size in kilowatts. Enter the sale price in PKR per watts based on your installation rates and proceed to fill in additional details according to your client's requirements. Choose the losses type, residential or commercial. This option allows you to account for different loss factors according to your and contract specifics. You can also create loss types as need be. You can also create and use contracts from the drop-down menu. This is where you can offer your clients custom deals and discounts if you require. Click Continue to move to the final stage. Stage 3. Finance Options and System Design. Select Finance Options from the drop-down menu. These options can be configured on the Configurations page and allow you to offer tailored financing solutions based on your agreements with banks or financial institutions. These are used to calculate payback on loan in Payback Report as well. Manually design the system by selecting the appropriate inverter, panels, and other components. Use the drop-downs to specify models, quantities, and configurations. By changing the setting of the solar panel's configuration, you can visibly see the results of open circuit voltages and max power voltages against the inverter you have chosen to help you safely design the required system. You can also the system size in kilowatts here. After you have designed the system, you can click the Submit button to finalize and create the system design for the client. Viewing reports, Client Payback Report. After submitting the design, you will see 2 buttons, Client Payback Report and Production Report. The Client Payback Report provides a detailed analysis that you can present to the client. It includes project costs, a product versus consumption graph, and payback analysis for both cash and loan options. Production Report. The Production Report details the solar access and monthly production estimates. This report helps clients understand the expected energy generation and savings over time.